Big news, guys. I'm engaged.
Got it!
We've been on a tragedy for months. Why can't you agree with me for once? Maybe we can be on chill tonight. Maybe I can give you a chill.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys fresh faced, no foundation, no brows. I'm gonna actually be reviewing some new products today. So the first product that I'll be reviewing is a elf eyebrow pencil. Excited to try this. I have an elf brush. I probably use this brush for like contouring or bronzing. I have an elf lipstick in dark brown. I know I'm gonna love this. I have an elf primer, and this is hydrating face primer. And I also have a moisturizer from Urban Skin RX. I hope you guys can see. And yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys the tea of these products, if I like them or not. And yeah, let's get straight into the video. Eyebrow pencil actually has a spoolie, and it has the retractable right here, and it's a good amount of product. You guys know I always come on here with my brows, so you know I really want to give you guys the tea to this. I do have a brow routine. I'll link that in the description down below, so if you guys want to learn how to snatch your brows, do check that out. And let's get into these brows.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
This is not dark at all. Like my affair pressed down too hard. Something go by my eye. Like I don't got the time. It could have been darker. After I pressed on too hard for the product actually come out. Damn. Yeah, but whatever. I'm gonna conceal them now. I'm wondering if I should go over with a different eyebrow pencil, because this can be darker. Jesus. I'm gonna go over with a different eyebrow pencil, guys. So far I'm not really too fancy this, but this is a new product too, so I guess I can just use this in the video. It's the Wet n Wild crayon, coal crayon. See, it not even pull it new, so I'm gonna use this over the brow to see if it can do something. Like, yeah, guys, this not play.
You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us.
Alright, so this is better. I like this one. This is better. Y'all ever been so disappointed because you wanted to like something but you don't like it? Anyways, I'm gonna conceal my brows using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer in the shade Tan Healer. So I finished my brows off camera, and I primed my eyelids with my P. Louise base in the shade 05. Now I'm gonna move into my Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm gonna take this green shade at the bottom, and I'm gonna work it in the front part of the crease, because I'm gonna be adding another color and blend them together.
I can't focus. I can't forget. I've been thinking too much.
Now I'm gonna go in my Zulu by Juvia's, and I'm gonna take the purple and blend it here and merge it into the green.
Lately, I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head.
This is what I'm going for. Now I'm gonna do a cut crease, and I'm done. I'm gonna put some gold on it, and then I'm gonna be done with this. I look like Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like without lashes. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then we're gonna get into the face makeup. I'm gonna moisturize and then I'm gonna prime with the elf.
I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces.
So I am not upset with the primer. It is hydrating as it stated. I'm gonna take this illuminating drop. It's from H&M. I'm gonna put it at the high point of my cheekbone so that I can have a little glow thing going on under my foundation.
Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us.
My NARS foundation in the shade New Orleans, and I have a new beauty blender, guys. It's curved at both. It look like a triangle. Guys, this looks flawless. No cap. Flawless poo. I'm gonna go in with my concealer, the same one that I use to highlight, to conceal my brows.
I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head.
Sideways like this to blend out my nose. Okay, sun. This sun came up out of nowhere. So guys, I set my highlight with my Sacha Buttercup. I'm contouring my nose with the same palette that I used to contour the rest of my face. And I'm just bringing it up into my brow bone. Guys, you want to ensure that you bring the contour up in your brow bone so that it looks natural. And you don't want to have this harsh ass contour on your nose, so blend it out like this. I'm gonna make me a blush with the orange and the pink from the Zulu palette, and you can tell me you don't see this blush because it's just there, right there. Now I'm going to sit with my all-nighter Urban Decay setting spray. And when you set, sis. You spray that. Spray it. You set. Now I'm just adding some highlighter from my Carly Bible palette. You guys must know by now, like if you've been subscribed to me from day one, you must notice by now that this is my favorite highlighter. I do have other highlighters, but have you seen them in my videos? Nah. So this is my fave of all time until I find something else that really gives this a run for its money, period. Now for the elf lipstick that I'm so excited to try. And guys, it is so cute. Let me show you guys the packaging. It is so cute. I've never seen a lip gloss in a like it's so clear, it's very clear. So I'm gonna use it to line my lips. I'm gonna add, of course, a nude in the center. This is my ColourPop in the shade Lesson Learned. This is the same ColourPop, but this is in the shade Attention Hall. I want the nude to be a little more nuder. Yes, sis. This is my finished look. Of course, the slow-mos are coming in the next slide. Of course, my girl.
You did something, 'cause shit like this don't happen too often. It's the way you put it down. I don't want no one else around.
of my video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you like my eye look, please comment and let me know. I really like when you guys communicate with me in the comment section. I feel really nice. And guys, I forgot to mention in my last video that I see a lot of new subscribers, and I want to welcome you guys. I want to tell you guys thank you for showing my videos love. I really appreciate everyone that's supporting me. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in my next video. I'm gonna come back with a bomb tutorial. I'm gonna keep these bomb tutorials coming, okay? And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.